Hi and welcome to my Cuddly Stitches craft channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to crochet these adorable little ears directly onto your amigurumi toy. This is a very useful technique when working on small crochet animals or on small ears that are just too fiddly to crochet and sew on separately. I'll be using my crochet otter in this video, but these ears would also work perfectly for a small teddy bear or similar toy. And if you would like to make the otter featured here, you'll find the link to the free pattern in the description below the video. And here are the written instructions for you in case you would like to refer back to them. To get started, make sure to leave 6 front loops unworked where the ears will go. I've got 1 on the side, 4 in the middle, and then 1 more on the side here. If you are using my otter pattern, the instructions will tell you exactly where to do this, but if you are working with a different pattern, just choose where you want the ears to go and remember to leave 6 front loops unworked in that spot. Next, you will crochet the ears into these front loops. So grab your hook and insert it into the first front loop. Now get the yarn and wrap it around the hook and pull it through the front loop. You will have to hold the yarn tail in place with your finger to start with, so the yarn is not too loose. Then chain 1 and pull on the yarn tail again if needed. And now you need to make 2 half double crochets in the second front loop. Yarn over, insert your hook. You may need to pinch the head a little if the front loop is too tight. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. Now do another half double crochet into the same front loop. So you now have 2 half double crochets in the second front loop. Now do 2 double crochets in the next front loop. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Now do another double crochet into the same front loop. Okay, so you now have 2 double crochets in the third loop. Now repeat the same step in the next front loop, so you will do another 2 double crochets. That's 1 done, and 1 more in the same loop. Now you need to do 2 half double crochets into the next front loop. So that's the front loop number 5. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Do another half double crochet in the same front loop. Okay, and now to finish the ear, you need to do a slip stitch in the last front loop on the side. Okay, I need to pinch it again a little because it's a bit tight. And slip stitch. Okay, so that's the ear completed, and all there is left to do is to weave the yarn ends in. So I'm just going to grab my scissors and cut the yarn off. Okay, pull this yarn tail out of the loop. And then thread your yarn needle with the first tail. Insert the needle into the first front loop stitch and come out through a stitch somewhere on the back of the head. Pull tight, and then do the same with the second yarn tail. So insert it into the front loop on the side and come out through the same stitch on the back of the head. Okay, just make sure you are happy with the ear as it is, and then tie a double knot with the yarn tails, but make sure you pull on them quite tight. And then pull the knot inside the head through the same stitch the yarn tails are sticking out of. So insert your needle into the same stitch, thread it with the yarn tails, and pull it through, and make sure you pull tight until the knot is hidden inside the head, and then you can cut the yarn off. And that's it, you are done. The ears are looking really nice. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please give me thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to receive an update every time I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.